GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? Had your breakfast? In the previous video, we have covered questions C, D and E in practice time. In this video, let us cover the topics multiplication table of 1 and multiplying big numbers. Now, let us get into the topic multiplication table of 1. Children, see here. We have a multiplication table of 1. And also, we have some blanks here. We need to fill these blanks. Children, they gave 2 examples. Let us see the first example. 1 times 1 is 1 into 1 gives us 1. See children, this is 1 table, right? So first one is 1 times 1. As we know that time means into or multiplication. So 1 times 1 is 1 into 1. So 1 ones are 1. Now let us see the second example. 2 times 1 is 2 into 1 gives us 2. Yes, children, it is 2 times 1, right? Times is multiplication. So, is 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So, children, 2 times 1 is nothing but 2 into 1 or 2 times is nothing but multiplication also. So, it is also called 2 into 1. That is nothing but 2 ones are 2. Children, now let us fill these blanks. Let us see this one. 3 times 1 is 3 into dash gives us dash. Yes, children, see here they have given 3 times 1, right? That is nothing but 3 into 1. So, it is given 3 times 1 is 3 into dash. By seeing this itself, we can say 3 times means 3 into 1. So, we need to write 1 here. Let us write 1. Now, 3 into 1. 3 ones are? Yes, it is 3. So, let us write 3. So, 3 times 1 is 3 into 1 which is equal to 3. Now, let us see the next one. 4 times 1 is dash into dash gives us dash. Yes, children, 4 times 1 is nothing but 4 into 1. So, it is given 4 times 1 is dash into dash. As we know, times is nothing but multiplication. So, in this blank, we will get 4. 4 times 1 is 4 times and here it is 1. So, let us write 1. 4 times 1 is 4 into 1. Children, 4 into 1 is nothing but 4 only. So, 4 ones are 4. 4 times 1 is 4 into 1 which is equal to 4. Now, let us see the next one. Dash times 1 is dash into dash gives us dash. Yes, children, if you see, we have dash in starting only.
If you see the order of the numbers, see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, after 4, which number comes?
Yes, we will get the number 5.
Yes, let us write 5 here. So now we got 5 times 1. So we can write in this blanks that 5 times is nothing but into. We have into, it is 1. So 5 into 1. Let us write 5 into 1. Children, 5 into 1 or 5 ones are 5. So 5 times 1 is 5 into 1, that is equal to 5.
Now let us see the next one. Dash times 1 is dash into dash gives us dash.
Yes, children, here also we have a blank at the starting only. Now after 5, which number comes?
Yes, absolutely correct. It is 6.
Yes, let us write 6. 6 times 1. So children, here we can write 6 into 1 as times is nothing but multiplication. So 6 and 1 are written here. 6 into 1. So children, 6 into 1 or 6 ones are 6. So 6 times 1 is 6 into 1, that is equal to 6.
Now let us see the next one. Dash times 1 is dash into dash gives us dash.
Yes, children, here also we have a blank at starting only. So after 6, which number comes?
Yes, correct answer. After 6, we will get 7.
Yes, let us write 7. So children, 7 times 1, that is nothing but 7 into 1, right? Let us write 7 into 1. Children, 7 into 1 or 7 ones are 7. So 7 times 1 is 7 into 1, that is equal to 7.
Now let us see the last one. Dash times 1 is dash into dash gives us dash.
Yes, children, here also we have a blank at the starting. So after 7, which number comes?
Yes, we will get the number 8 after the number 7.
Yes, let us write 8. So children, 8 times 1 is nothing but 8 into 1. So let us write 8 into 1. 8 into 1 or 8 times 1 is equal to 8. So children, 8 times 1 is 8 into 1, that is equal to 8.
So children, now we have completed all the blanks.
Now let us get into the topic multiplying big numbers.
Children, we have a question here. Let us read this question and solve the problem. Let us read. 2 toffees were given to each student in the class. If there were 34 students, how many toffees were given in all?
Yes, children, see in the question it is given that 2 toffees were given to each student in the class, right? two toffees. Means two chocolates were given to each student in the class. Right? Per head 2 chocolates, and if there were 34 students. Right? If there were 34 students in the class, how many toffees were given in all? Children, they are asking that, see, every student got 2 toffees. There are 34 students in the class. So, how many toffees were given to all the 34 students? First, let us write the given information. We have 2 toffees were given to each student. Right? Toffees given to each student. Is equal to 2. And there were 34 students. Right? The total number of students in the class is equal to 34. Right? So, per head got 2 toffees and there are total number of 34 students in the class. So, to find out how many toffees were given to all the 34 students, we need to multiply 34 and 2. Right? The total number of toffees given to 34 students is equal to 34 into 2. Now children, if you see, 34 is a little big number and 2 is small number, but we need to multiply 34 into 2. So, see, we can write these two numbers as 30 plus 4 into 2. Right? I have splitted 34 into 30 and 4. Right? Into 2. Now, I can multiply 2 for 30 and 2 for 4. Right? I can write 30 into 2 plus 4 into 2. Yes, children, I have multiplied 30 and 2 and 4 and 2. See, I have written like this. Now, you can say this directly. 3 2s are 6. 2 into 0, 0. 3 2s are 6. 0 into 2, 0. We have plus 4 2s are 8. Now, children, 60 plus 8 is nothing but 68. Is this method easy, children, for multiplication of little big numbers? Yes, we can nicely split them like this and multiply individually. Finally, add them. We got 68. And we can even do 34 into 2. Now, children, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Right? Here also we got the answer 68. So children, these are the two methods to do multiplication of little big numbers. So how many toffees were given in all? There are total 68 toffees given to 34 students in the class.
Now let us read the next problem and solve it. In a picnic, 4 fruits were given to every student. The number of students was 23. Find out the total number of fruits given.
Yes, let us find out. Children, the question is given that in a picnic, right? In a picnic, 4 fruits were given to every student. Means 4 fruits were given to each student. The number of students were 23. So children, there are total number of 23 students, and for each student they have given 4 fruits. So what we need to find? Find out the total number of fruits given. So we need to find out how many fruits were given to the total number of 23 students. First, let us write the given information. We have in a picnic 4 fruits were given to every student. So, the number of fruits were given to each student is equal to 4. Yes, children, so 4 fruits were given to each student, and the number of students were 23, right? The total number of students were 23. Let us write the number of students were 23. So children, the number of students were 23. Now we have written the given information. What we need to find out is, we need to find out the total number of fruits given to all 23 students. To find out total number of fruits given to 23 students, we need to multiply 23 and 4, right? So, the total number of fruits given to 23 students is equal to, we can find out by multiplying 23 and 4. So children, let us write 23 into 4. As 23 is nothing but the total number of students, and 4 is nothing but 4 fruits are given to each student. So if we multiply 23 and 4, we can find out how many fruits are given to the total number of 23 students. So students, if you see 23 into 4, it is a little big number, right? 23 is a little big number. So we can split 23 as 20 plus 3. I have splitted 23 as 20 plus 3. Now into 4 is there. Let us write into 4. Now what we need to do? We need to multiply 20 with 4 and 3 with 4. Right? 20 with 4, 3 with 4. Now if you see, first let us multiply 20 with 4. That is 20 into 4. 20 into 4 plus 3 into 4. So children, now let us multiply. See, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 0 into 4, 0. So 20 into 4 is nothing but 80. We have plus. Let us write plus. We have 3 into 4. As you know, directly you can say 3 4s are 12. So let us write 12. So children, 80 plus 12. 80 plus 12 is nothing but 80 plus 12. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 1, 9. So 80 plus 12 is nothing but 92. Let us write 92. So children, when we multiply 23 into 4, we got 92. Another method we can do is 23 into 4. Now 4 3s are 12. So we can write 2 here and carry 1 here. 4 2s are 8. Plus 1, 9. So 23 into 4, 92. We can directly do like this or follow this simplification method. So finally we got 92. Children, total 92 fruits are given to 23 students in a picnic. The remaining topics will be covered in the next videos. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.